Hello guys, and let me introduce Gail, who has awesome startup Foldy-Mate. Gail, can you please tell a couple of words for our audience about your product? I've seen the video of it and I can tell it is awesome.
Thank you for the supportive words. Yes, we're doing practical robotics. We thought that 500 million items are being folded each day in the US manually today, and this is not going to survive if we want humanity to move on with more important stuff. So we invented a robotic laundry folder that will fold your laundry in under 5 minutes. You could do shirts, pants, towels from 6-year-old up to extra large, and in under 5 minutes you get through this entire laundry load.
What do you mean by telling 5 minutes? 5 minutes per item or per whole process?
Sure, it's the entire load. So about 25 items can be folded in under 5 minutes. It's very simple. Imagine like a dishwasher where you feed the items into the dishwasher. So while you're feeding, it's folding it already. And it takes out a very neatly folded pile in the bottom, and you can put it away in your closet. So you have, organized closets and a lot more time available to move on with your life.
I heard about your success on tests this year. Can you please tell us about this conference? What's your take and what this conference give you as a startupper?
Sure. So we came to CES this year with a working prototype. We got overwhelming attention, and the media loved what we've showed. A lot were skeptical before, because they said, no, it's not going to work. And we actually brought our prototype, which until today already went through thousands of people's items. It's been field tested. We're working on producing it. CES brings us not only the attention, but a lot of networking and connections. And we just won last week the Thai 50 Award. It's another conference here in the Valley. So really humbled that we get all this attention, and we're hoping to close our round. If there are any investors in the crowd, you know where to reach.
One question about the product. There are different sizes, sleeve or sleeveless items. There are pants and jackets and t-shirts and shorts or whatever. How the machine understands what the item is?
So that's the part of the practical robotics that we do. We wanted to find the simplest solution that would be cost effective, so we can bring it into people's homes or life. We are also planning to put it in laundromats or hotels or shared laundry rooms so they can use it coin operated. And we have a set of sensors and software and mechanics, and the combination together allows us to know what needs to be known exactly in order to make a neat fold.
Understood. Sounds really brilliant idea. And in terms of money, you mentioned that you are looking for around A. One question about your previous experience. Have you been self-funded or you have seed round?
Sure. So the previous round was done by a strategic partner, a strategic investor that also participates in this round. Unfortunately, I cannot say it in public, but yes, we have a strategic partner on board, and we also have industry leaders that are waiting to do partnership with us for the Series A and moving forward. So definitely stay tuned and reach out to us if you're interested to learn more.
Sounds brilliant. How are you going to spend money you can raise on Seed A? What's kind of main pinpoint to spending those money you are going to raise?
Sure. So the main challenge until early this year was to get through the research part. I mean, doing what we've done is research. No one has done this before, and making it reliable or versatile enough and fast enough to be able to fold thousands of people's items already, it's an enormous feat on its own. And now we want to produce it. It's going to take, it's capital intensive, and it will take us the time. But that's the next goal. The next goal is to raise the funds in order to reach the market and start servicing all of the users that are waiting to have it in their life.
One question regarding to the users. I expect people have your folder mat in their apartment or in their houses, or you expect to have such stuff in laundries? What's your expectation? What's your goals?
We're working with a few potential partners. Some of them want to take it to market with us and put it in our homes, and some of them are working with us to put it in laundromats or shared laundry rooms. So both is on our focus right now, and it really depends on how we close the round, but definitely we're going to reach these two verticals. The idea is to make the value, the technology accessible for us as consumers, both in our homes and in public locations where, for example, in an apartment building, when you have a shared laundry room and you come and already come with your wash and dry, then you will have a folding made there so you could get through your laundry quickly, and you don't have necessarily room in your condo, but you do have room there.
Sounds perfect. So I think it could be a good shot for all of us have one another device that can folder our items. And one question regarding to the technology: how many people currently work with you to create such awesome product?
We're currently 12, and we will ramp up once we close the round, of course. And of course, the vision for the practical robotics of what we're doing is not just the folding. Folding is the start. It's, you know, it's the tipping point. But from there, we can add a lot of functionality to the folding platform. For example, heat or steam or fabric treatment. And on top of that, we're also looking at other chores that we want to pragmatically approach with robotics and take care of these challenges as well. So stay tuned. There are more than just folding.
Sounds impressive. So one question regarding to your background as a CEO, as a founder of the company. What's your background? How you come up with such a brilliant idea to have our stuff folded?
I think that the way I came up with it is not related with my background. Although I'm a very techie, you know, geeky guy. I like using tech to improve my life. And I said, I mean, I'm using the dishwasher. I don't like to do the dishwasher, but I use the dishwasher. And I said, why don't we have something like a dishwasher that I can feed the items into it, and it will, you know, do the hard work for me and give me a neatly folded pie to put away. And the years went by, and I saw that no one is doing something about it, so I decided to try and do it. My background is software engineering, and along the years, I went across to the product management and the business side. So the combination, I believe, helped me, you know, to approach it. But I can't take the credit from my team. I have an amazing team in Israel, multidisciplinary team that proved that they can do practical robotics and find you know, the unique solutions that industry leaders have been working on for years now and never got a chance to reach the maturity level that we have today.
That's great. That's so cool. So what's your take about the conference? How you find SVOD?
Sure, SVOD this is the first time for me here, and it's been amazing. The crowd is, you know, professionals, unbelievable networking opportunity. Really happy to be here, and tomorrow also I'm pitching in the morning session. So excited to be here and happy to be here.
Thank you. Thank you for giving us interview. I wish you all luck during the pitching session, and I wish you all luck to raising round A. And I wish for all of us as a customer to have such folding machine in our homes, because it's really time consuming and mundane stuff to just fold some items. Thank you very much.